Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to download Netflix application on your iOS device. To download Netflix application on your iPhone is a straightforward process. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, open up your App Store on your iOS device. Go to the search box at the top and type in Netflix. Look for the Netflix application in the search result and tap on the download or the get button to start downloading and installing Netflix on your iOS device. Wait for a couple of minutes until the application is installed. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will be able to install Netflix application right on your mobile device, right on your iOS device. So that is how you easily download the Netflix app on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.